Hi everyone, welcome to Takeoff Group, a multidisciplinary platform for academic institutions, industries and research.
Today we are going to see workshop on robotics. Let us discuss about robotics. The field of mechanics and electronics together have given rise to a new emerging sector called mechatronics. Now robotics is exploring the possibility of helping physically challenged people to overcome their limitations. For example, mechatronic arm is being developed to assist the people who have problem with basic mobility. Robots are used in various sectors, but they can be broadly classified into two types: industrial robots and service robots. Industrial robots are mainly used for manufacturing industries such as automotive industries. The integration of computer programming into the field of robotics has resulted in amazing technology advancement. Let us discuss about workshop objective. Learn practical application of electronic circuit in embedded. Learn about practical application in embedded system. Learn about real-time sensors interfacing different external peripherals. Hands-on experience on real-time embedded application. Make your own project at the end of workshop. What are the topics to be covered during workshop? Types of robots, basic electronic tutorial, introduction to sensors, robot chases and structure design, programming the controller, robot interfacing with sensors, making a robot own design. At the part of this workshop, student will do 3 different robots like object avoidance robot, line follower robot, metal detector robot. What you will gain by this workshop? We have designed this workshop less theory and more practical session. We will train the students to develop their own robots. Duration of this workshop is 3 days. In that 3 days, 6 sessions will be conducted.
Certification. All our certificates have a unique ID which can be verified in online for lifetime. Participation certificate, appreciation certificate for top performers, certification of coordinators, memento for department or college.
Prerequisites. Candidates have to carry their own laptop with Wi-Fi and data connection. Management need to provide hardware and software labs for registered candidates and seminar hall with mic and projector facilities.
For any queries, contact 903033 433 or 087722 61612. Or you can visit our website www.takeoffgroup.in. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel.